The Zero Tolerance 0350 folding pocket knife is a high-quality, durable, and versatile knife that is designed for heavy-duty use. This beefy knife features a smooth and reliable speed-safe assisted opening mechanism, which allows for easy one-handed blade deployment. The blade is made of high-performance S30V stainless steel, which provides excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The blade is 3.2 inches long and it has a non-reflective black coating. The handle is made of textured G10 scales, which provide a secure grip even in wet or slippery conditions. It has a sturdy frame lock that securely locks the blade in place when open, and a stainless steel pocket clip for convenient carrying. It weighs 5.6 ounces, which is not the lightest EDC knife, but still it's comfortable for everyday carry. Overall, the Zero Tolerance 0350 folding pocket knife is a high-quality, reliable knife that is ideal for a variety of cutting tasks, including everyday carry, camping, hiking, and more.